If I buy them all, will you do 50 cents a piece?
Absolutely.
All right.
God.
You know what it is today?
What?
Frickin' nice out, dude.
Yeah, it's perfect sweatshirt weather. Hi!
He didn't even wave to you.
I'm used to getting shut down.
Oh, that's a ringer. An old ringer.
Hey, put your finger in.
No. Oh, that is cool, huh? Look at that old sign. That is pretty sweet. Pioneer Tomatoes. That's an original. These old baseball cards. What is this? Ooh, Baja lights.
Yeah, we found it. We took it out. So.
10 for the tiles, maybe?
Yeah. Yeah.
I looked them up. They were a lot.
What's that? Filters?
Whirlpool filters.
Morning, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
I was just gonna pull the glass off it and see what it looked like. I don't know.
Looks pretty
Don't
cool.
stand anything up with the glass on it.
Yeah, obviously.
Ooh.
Picked up and it's pretty.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Very satisfying.
What do you know about that tomato sign over there? You know anything about it?
Sold.
Oh, it's sold?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what
I'm
they
not
know is
surprised.
They're teasing you with it. That's what.
Well, no, they're still here. They haven't taken it.
Oh.
Still teasing.
It's ours.
Customer of the day.
But you could have it for 75.
What is she buying it from you for?
You can't ask that. We forgot.
I forget.
Oh, man.
You wrote everything down.
I like this clock.
Works.
Does it work?
Yeah.
What do you got on that?
15.
15? What about these things here? This stack of cards and these
That,
lights.
With that, another 15. 30 bucks.
30 bucks.
30 bucks for everything.
Did you take 25?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
That's very sharp.
I was about to say he doesn't want me to get this.
Yeah. Came from Iraq.
He'll be missing a limb next time you see him.
What came from Iraq? That sword?
Yeah.
No kidding. What is it? It's pretty cool looking.
It's a sword.
Well, yeah.
Saber.
20. 25. There
Very
you go.
good.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yep, no problem.
Whoever you know in your room kind of.
Yeah.
I would do that all the time. I'm like, you'd be like, Pam, where are you? I'd be like, I'm practicing my samurai. Back up.
All right, have a good day, guys. I'll give you 65 for the sign. No, just kidding. Have a good day. Seen one of these clocks before. Somebody told us to buy it at Joe's. Good morning.
Definitely friendly. She just,
What kind of dog is it?
it's a mix. They think it's like a pit and like maybe a dachshund or something like that.
Yeah, we've got a pit mix too.
Yeah. What's the camera for?
We have a YouTube channel. We go to garage sales, going to garage sales, and if that's okay with you.
As long as I'm not on it.
Okay, no, I won't show you.
What's your YouTube channel? I'll check it out.
Thrift Mine.
Thrift Mine?
Yep. How much for the pool?
That is 200 or best offer.
This
And I
one?
have a larger one over here.
Okay.
You got a pickup truck. You want a vintage Coca-Cola refrigerator?
Probably not, but I'll look at it.
You can take the top tarp off.
Is it an original one?
Yeah, I think it is.
Really? Wow. That is cool. I wish I had a spot for it.
But you're a yard sale guy. Buy and sell it.
Yeah.
Just say
Hey,
hi.
puppy.
She knows who you
Hey.
are, and then maybe she'll.
What are you doing?
What's this thing?
I don't know.
I like.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Don't worry.
Oh no, that's when you say you break it, you bought it.
How much for your DVDs? $1 a piece.
This old wine. I want to get this for Ashley, for her house,
Okay, you can get that.
for wine.
Sure.
So we'll hold it. I'm like 99% sure. And I want this for myself.
Okay, you can do that. If I buy them all, will you do 50 cents a piece?
Absolutely.
All right.
I like it.
What's that?
Absolutely.
Okay. There's 28 here, so that's.
Fine. I got a calculator right here.
What's that? 14 bucks?
Sure. Yeah.
Oh.
You want a GoPro? I got a brand new GoPro in the house for sale.
How much?
I don't know how much they were.
For
I'm
sale?
just messing with you.
He knows the words.
Which
what to
GoPro is
say.
it?
Yeah.
It's like the, I think the Black 5.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
This is the 8. That's the 7, I
It's
believe.
just crazy how they keep coming out with them.
Yeah, it is.
We got it
think
to
he
go to
does.
Mexico, but
Yeah.
it was brand new. It was
I love
great,
it. I love
You
GoPro.
know, for doing the scuba stuff.
Yeah.
You can check his count in too. I'm the math one, not him.
That's fine.
You're like, just let him go.
I'm so
This
excited.
is cool. Where did you guys get this thing?
Oh,
really?
Girl.
Yeah.
You know what happened to irises? And it was a red one. And I just loved them. But
Yeah.
they didn't have anything. Didn't know what
I know
to
there's
do.
only so much to. Yeah. Fair enough. Is that a giant blow up toy in your yard?
Yeah, it's a
You ever
you know
watch Stranger
Stranger Things?
No.
but I know what that is.
It's
Demi
the monster
Gherkin?
from Stranger
Oh.
A sprinkler. He's 7 feet
sprinkler.
tall.
Can I go look at it?
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh, that's huge. So what is it? It's like for you guys to run through and stuff?
So through here, like if you turn on a hose, which we're filling up for a pool,
Yeah, yeah.
it would like come out.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I would like pick that thing up and chase Ryan with it. That's so cool. Well, you'll be good to your people. I'm sure my puppy's gonna be like, where were you?
So 14 on the DVDs. You got the wine thing.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Did you get this one too?
Yeah, no, I got it. Yeah. All right, thank you.
Bye, guys. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da.
So that was a decent sale. Found a couple things there, nothing too spectacular, but found those DVDs. A lot of them are Disney movies, and they had an awesome dog. So their dog was really cool. So yeah, we got a lot of the DVDs
Turn
and some,
right onto Holman Way.
some other stuff that we're gonna gift to people. The DVDs I'll probably just lot up, selling a lot on eBay. Won't make a whole lot on them, but make a little bit of money, I think. Shut up! What's that? Oh, like a dog gate. We could probably use that.
The one out front.
You think it'd be wide enough for our porch? Yeah, definitely. Probably, right? Morning, how are you?
Morning, how you guys doing?
Good. Missing the pole here.
Isn't that the thing that we had before, huh?
Yeah, it's missing a piece though.
How much is the little baby gate type thing?
$2.
You can get that. We're gonna use it for a dog, not a baby.
Yeah,
Do you have any other video game stuff other than the drums? Or is that all you have?
He has like some Xbox games and Xbox 360 games, but he never went through them.
Okay.
I do-
Here's $2 for that thing.
Thank you.
Yeah, no
I
problem.
mean, maybe I'll post them on there somewhere, and if you see them,
Okay.
we'll be out here tomorrow too. So
Okay, great.
So give him a chance to go through them.
Yeah, no problem.
Bye-bye. She's like, oh no, I'm not done though. No.
All right, you have a good day.
Thank you.
I guess he's not following me. The lone wolf.
That's like if you're playing, you know, music and
Yep.
you record and do the different sounds or whatever, play that.
Does it have any cables with it or anything, or just this?
You just brought that up.
Just that?
I don't really know. Hopefully somebody can find the cable for it.
Do you know how?
What is it? It's like if you're a musician, you play guitar, you can sing and record different things, different sounds, and then run it back through for a full song.
Would you take 3 for it?
Sure.
Okay.
You have to box to that somewhere with the other wrist pieces in it, and I can take less if you wanted.
There's that.
Thanks so much.
Thank
Have a
you.
great afternoon.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. My wife's already in the truck.
Yeah,
She's like, see ya. Have a good one. $3. It's for electric guitars. These are bass ones. What's that, 14 bucks? Does it have any cables with it or anything? Alright, so we found some pretty good stuff today at garage sales. This isn't the only garage sales we went to this weekend. Give you a little sneak peek. There's a big pile of stuff right there. You'll be seeing that coming this week. I did want to show you guys this clock that we picked up. As you can see, it works just fine. I plugged it in, plugs into the wall, I plugged it in, it works just fine. Did you have fun? Yeah. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and until next time, we'll see you later, right? Good girl.